In this video, I will show you how to create WhatsApp group. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on WhatsApp. Now to go ahead and create a group, the first thing you're going to want to do is press the create button, which on an Android device, you can see that's down here in the bottom right hand corner. If you are on iPhone, that's going to be in the top right hand corner. So just go ahead and give the create button a press. And on the next screen, if you look at the very top, you're going to see the option for new group. So what you can do is press onto new group. Then what you can do is choose the members that you want to add to this group just by simply pressing onto their name. So for example, I'm going to select this person here. And once you select the people you want to add to your group, come down to the bottom right hand corner and press the green arrow button. On the next screen, what you can do is give your group a name. So I'm just going to call this one test. And what we can also do is press the camera icon here and we can add a group icon. So what I've done, I've just added an image as you can see here. And from here, you can also add permissions for the group and disappearing messages. So once you're happy with everything, what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press the green tick button to create your WhatsApp group. After a second or two, you'll be taken to this page here, and from here you can go ahead and start choosing the group to message people. You can also do things like name this group and add additional members. So that's how to create WhatsApp group. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.